heart of Manipur, where nature's wonders reside, lies Loktak Lake, where beauty and serenity coincide. A shimmering jewel, reflecting skies so blue, a sanctuary for life where dreams come true. Oh, Loktak Lake, where waters dance and play, your floating islands sway in the gentlest of ways. From song idea to fisherman's bow, your embrace is eternal in every ripple and mold. Wash your fingers stretch, embracing life's embrace, flowing from this, where harmony finds its place. Sangai graze in peace, amidst the tranquil reeds, a symphony of colors meeting our deepest needs. Oh, Loktak Lake, where waters dance and play, your floating islands sway in the gentlest of ways. From Sangai deer to fisherman's bow, your embrace is eternal in every ripple and mold. Through time and tide, your stories unfold, from ancient lore to the stories yet untold. Cradle of culture, lifeline of the land, nurturing our souls with a tender hand. The sun sets, painting skies in hues, mirroring the dreams of fishermen and their views. Tales whispered by waves, echoing through the night. In Loktak's embrace, everything feels right. Oh, Loktak Lake, where waters dance and play, your floating islands sway in the gentlest of ways. From Sangai deer to fisherman's bow, your embrace is eternal in every ripple and mold.